Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIUVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Okay, now dear learners, I request you to look at board, to look here. It is topic unit 6, lesson 7, questions number 1 and 2 in our revision segment. I repeat, it is unit 6, lesson 7, questions number 1 and 2 in our revision segment. Dear learners, look here. This is our lecture number 17. There is no SW. Lecture number 17. 17. My dear students of class 7, in our lecture number 17, we shall revise the first comprehension. It is about the journey by train, and in the second comprehension, we shall revise under the full moon. In the first comprehension, journey by train, we shall revise 10 MCQs, and in the second comprehensions, under the full moon, we shall revise 5 question answers. In these connections, I request all of my students of class 7 to look at both. Look here. So look, there is a passage. It is about journey by train. Okay, the most famous name is here Jisan. Read the text first, then choose the best answer to the following questions from the alternatives given. Look here. It was Jisan's grandparents' house in the village. The night sky was clear. The full moon was shining brightly. All the family members had delicious supper and sat in the yard. Jisan's cousins, so look at the Jisan's cousin, they are Jahid and Shima, were very much excited. They were the same age, they were also studying at a village school. Their grandparents gladly joined them. They were sitting on a bamboo mat. Everybody felt relaxed, past tense. They were talking, laughing and joking. The children's voices were the loudest. Jahid described how he played for his school in the Upojela inter-school tournament. What sports do you take part in, Jisan's? Asked Jahid. Jisan could not answer. There was no playground in his school and around his house. Shima also told them how she earned the first prize for 100 meters sprint in the school annual sports. She sang a beautiful Bhavaya song. So look here, Bhavaya song. This is a native or local language in Dewanganj area or the Jamalpur area. Everybody clapped their hands in delight. Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara Khan, told some funny jokes that made them laugh their head off. The family gathering went on far into the night. Dear learners, from the passage we have learned that Jisan with his parents went to his grandparents' house. Their grandparents' house was at Dewanganj, and I have told you it is in Jamalpur. It is one of the Upojala of Jamalpur. In the Dewanganj or in the grandparents' house, Jisan met his cousins named Jahid and Shima and his aunt also. So in the passage we have learned it is about the journey by train, that means in the native village area. Now we shall revise 10 MCQs. So look here, look. Now choose the correct answer, that means MCQs to each questions from the alternatives given. The night sky was clear. Here clear means. So look at the words. Night sky was clear. Here clear means unclear, confusion, clean, dirty. So look at the very much clear and crystal answer. It is clean. Option number C is the proper answer. Clear means clean. Now MCQ number 2. All the family members had delicious supper. What does delicious means? So look, tasteless, no. Tasty, yes, we can consider. C number unpleasant, no, this one. D number sour. That means what does the delicious means? Delicious means here tasty. Option number B is the appropriate answer. Number 3 MCQs. Jisan was at his. Look at the options. 4 options are here. Village home, residence in town, grandparents' house in the village, parents' house in the village. So from the very beginning we have got the answer. Jisan was in his grandparents' house. That means option number C is the proper answer. Now MCQ number 4, the night sky was clear because, so look option, how many options? 4 options are in MCQs. The moon was hidden behind the clouds, no. There was stars in the sky, no. There was no cloud in the sky, no. The full moon was shining brightly. That means option number D is the appropriate answer. The night sky was clear because the full moon was shining brightly. Now MCQ number 5, look, what did the family members do before sitting in the earth? So look here, what did the family members do before sitting in the earth? Dear students, to have the 4 MCQs, we need to go to our next page. What did the family members do before sitting in the earth? So look, they had delicious breakfast, no. They had delicious supper, yes, we can think about this. They had delicious refreshment, they had delicious lunch. Look at the option number B, they had delicious supper. Now MCQ number 6, Jahid and Shima were the students of, look, A village school, B a village college, a town school, D number a town college. So Jahid and Shima were the students of a village school. So from the text we have learned Jahid and Shima, they are the same age and they read in a village school. Now MCQ number 7, the family members were sitting on option number A, the sofa, B, a bed, C, a bamboo mat, D, the floor. The family members were sit on the, so look at the very easy and clear answer, they are sitting on a bamboo mat. That means option number C is the proper answer. The family members were sitting on a bamboo mat. Now MCQ number 8, how long did the family gatherings last? So look, up to early evening, B up to midnight, no. C number up to morning, no. D number up to early night. So look here, how long did the family gatherings last? The family gatherings went on a, so look here, look at the last sentence of our passage. So look, the family gatherings went on far into the night. Up to early evening, no. Up to midnight, yes, we can think about this. Up to morning, up to early night, no. Up to midnight. Our 9 number MCQs, look, how many names of persons were mentioned in the passage? 4, 6, 5, 7. So look at the name. At first Jisan, then Jahid, then Shima, then little bit below or at the end of our passage, it is Julie's aunt. So look here, Jahanara, Julie's aunt. So look here, Jisan, Jahid, Shima, this Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara Khan. So how many names are given here? 4 names. How many names of the persons are mentioned in the passage? It is 4 names. Our last MCQ, how was the supper? So look here, how was the supper? Option number A, wonderful, B, beautiful, C, delicious, and D, tasty. How was the supper? The option number is delicious. How was the supper? It is option number C, that means delicious is the appropriate answer. Dear learners, now we have another passage, and on the basis of this passage, we shall revise 5 question answer. Look here, read the following text and answer the questions number. This passage you have learned. So look, we shall revise again. Jisan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif got into a first class compartment. This passage is about the journey by train. I have already told you at Kamlapur railway station, it was Dewanganj bound Tispa Express. So look, I have already told that Dewanganj is one of the upazilas of Jamalpur district. The train left at 8 o'clock. Jisan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. However, the train was running quite fast. The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. She was looking out and saw the passing things. Then she took out the poems and began to read. Dear learners, we have finished our reading. Now we shall revise 5 question answer. Now read, answer the following questions in your script. So look here. Number 1, who made the train journey? Answer, Jisan, Julie and their parents made the train journey. Very easy and clear answer. Now 2 number, where did the children sit? So look here, then okay, you must follow the subject and verb agreement. So look here, whenever the answer will be in past structure, your answer will be followed by past structure or past tense. The children sat by the window beside their parents. Question number 3, where was the train supposed to reach? The train was supposed to reach Dewanganj. Number D, did the train leave Kamalapur railway station or late or on time? So from the passage we have learned, it is late, it is half an hour late, the train left the station. So look here, the train left the station late. Okay, we have learned that means 30 minutes late. Last question answer, what was Julie doing from her seat? Look, last question answer, what was Julie doing from her seat? Answer, Julie looked out and saw the passing things. At the end we have seen, she was looking out and saw the passing things. Dear learners, with the question answer 5, we have revised 1 to 5 question answer and MCQs 1 to 10. Dear learners, this is our second revision class. I request all of my students of class 7 to revise again and again these classes. These are very important classes for your understanding. My dear students, finally abide by your parents' advice and see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.